Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change your default search engine Google Chrome. Whether you prefer Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo or something else, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile, then you have to go here, three dots here as you can see here. Click on it. Now open settings. In the last bottom right corner you have to see the settings option. Click on it. Now on the left panel select search engine. As you can see here, where it is search engine here, click on it. Now under search engine find search engine used in address bar, as you can see here. Now click the drop down menu, choose the from the available list. As you can see here, we will see different type of search engines here: DuckDuckGo, Yandex, Microsoft Bing and Yahoo India. Once selected, Chrome now will now use your preferred search engine by default. Like for example, I want to use this one. So you have to click on make default here. Now the Chrome will use DuckDuckGo as your default browser. If you want to add a custom search engine, like click manage search engines, you have to go back, scroll down a bit. You have to add your customizable preferred search engine here. Click on add, then you have to put the URL in this list. You have to set your search engine name here and then click on add to use it as a search engine, and that's it. Now you know how to change the default search engine Google Chrome. Let me know in the comment which search engine you prefer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more Chrome tips. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.